Design with Emma, let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and
Good afternoon, everyone. Today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be working here in my pergola. And what I'm going to do, as you can see behind you, I have hung my curtains. I've hung four, no, yeah, no, I've hung 6 panels up. And I'm going to add a couple of more panels because I feel like I want a little more privacy here. Now, on each panel I have added at the bottom like a bow where I've taken the panel and I've added a string or a ribbon to it, and I put it in a bowl just to raise it up off the ground so when it rains, at least the bottoms will not get wet. So that's the reason you see the bowl. So I have them all poured to the side, but I think what I want to do now, I'm going to add 2 more, which is going to make 8. And what I want to do with the 2 that I'm going to add, I just want to give myself a little more privacy if I decide that's what I want to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let you take a look at what I have done, and then what we're going to do, we're going to come back in and we're going to add the other 2. We're going to put them up. I may like them, I may not. So we may put them up and take them back down. Okay. But this is what we're concentrating on today. So the other 2 I want to add is in this area here. And as I said, I think what I want to do is just put the 2 here. We'll take a look at it and see if that's what I really want to do to add a little more privacy. I want to leave it open. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now with the shade, I have it pulled all the way down here in the back, so it gives me privacy here. I have complete privacy here. So what I'm thinking about over here on this side, of course, that's the back of the house. I have my privacy here. Now, what I'm trying to do is get just a wee bit more privacy here. We'll stay as in you look around. Room. So let's go ahead. I put my ladder out here, and what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go ahead and get these drapes hung. These are the drapes I have now. I purchased these from Amazon, and what I like about them, they have the Velcro ties on them. So you just stick them together here and they'll hang. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and take these loose. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hang it and see if I'm getting a little bit more privacy to this area. I'm not going to say I'm going to let them stay. I just want to give it a try and see what happens, because privacy is on your deck is something that you may want. The center area, I do have the drapes where I can close it up and give me complete privacy to the outside. Now, on my upper deck, I also have the privacy screens, which are the flower boxes. They give me complete privacy. So let's take a look at this. Let's go ahead, go over here and get these hung, and then we'll see if they're gonna give me what I'm looking for. So as you can see, what I'm doing, I'm gonna add these all the way across, and then what we'll do is take a look at it and see if this is what I'm looking for. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish hanging them. Then we're gonna come back and take a look at it and see if I wanna keep that privacy. As you can see, I achieved what I went out to do. I have the full privacy here now. The wind is blowing, so it's hard for me to keep them down. But on each side where I have the knots here, I can also take those loose and gather it some more where it will be totally, completely private. But I'm gonna show that to you. But you see how I covered the middle with the drapes, and now I have complete privacy to that side. And now you can see from the back what I mean, total privacy. So if you want privacy on your pergola, what I suggest you do is just drape it. Now, the drapes were from Amazon. I picked these up at Amazon. I did get them in 106 inches long, just so they'll be sweeping, but as I told you, on each end, what I've done, I've taken and put them in the center and made a flower just to pick them up off of the deck floor. But here is what I was talking about when I said complete privacy. So you can take and get the complete privacy that you want. If it's not what you want, you can always gather them together and open up that pergola, whereas you can see out into your back area. I want to thank Friends with Super Channels for inviting me to be a part of Friends with Super Channel. I also want to thank the design family because, as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm going to ask you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video.